This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hey guys, salut, this is Alex. So this episode is the bastard offspring of both the chocolate series and the croissant series, since we are making a chocolate croissant. It hurts every time I'm saying chocolate croissant. I guess it's time for me to do a quick French session. So on one hand, you've got the croissant and not the crescent, that crescent-ish shaped pastry made with a leavened puff pastry, and on the other hand, you've got the pain au chocolat, not a chocolate croissant, which is also made from that layer leavened puff pastry, dough rising. It's a never-ending story. Right? Remember? Croissant, pain au chocolat. Sounds effects on this channel are just two different teams. You need to pick one side. I'm on the croissant team, obviously. But I like myself a good pain au chocolat from time to time. It's just chocolate. Chocolate, you can't beat chocolate. So in episode 3 from the chocolate series, I made chocolate bars, which was great, but now I need sticks to make those pain au chocolat, which shouldn't be a problem. I've got everything I need. I've got super premium chocolate right there. I've got my thermoforming machine right there. That will be a walk in the park. So I've been tempering loads of chocolate both on and off camera. And if following that temperature curve is easy when you're going up, because the machine, the sous vide machine is doing all the work, it's harder when you're trying to go down. In the past I've been using ice cubes. It's fine, but using water replacement is better. Water replacement. The concept might be a bit vague at the moment, but you'll understand soon enough. So now with this finely crafted engineering level system, the cooling should now be a breeze, since cold water is coming from the tap, and then using the tap right there you can get rid of the excess of hot water. It's so beautiful when things go according to plan. I can be lying, but I'm so proud of this. While the chocolate is slowly melting, I'm gonna tackle the casting, and by that I mean I need to make positive shapes. These are just two wooden batons, but by gluing them we would get about the section we need. Luckily for us, I already did that for 6 of them yesterday, so it's been curing overnight. They're ready. They just need to be cleaned and trimmed. Our chocolate is fully melted. Its inner temperature is at 45 degrees Celsius. I need to bring it down to 27 degrees Celsius, which is when I'm supposed to use my new setup. I'm gonna get rid of the excess of hot water right there. So hopefully that should do it. I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna massage the bag. In case you're not familiar with this bad boy, it comes from episode number 3 of the chocolate series, and it's a vacuum forming machine. It basically turns any positive shape into a negative mold. Does that make sense? I hope so, because that's the best I can give. I'm not eating chocolate, I'm just readjusting, I'm just flattening the... Yes! Yes! So while the chocolate is nicely setting in the fridge, let's tackle some dough. Nice. It's been about an hour, so I'm gonna have a sneak peek at the dough. Oh wow. Sponsor time. Let's talk about Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creators with more than 25,000 classes in design, business, and of course, cooking. A new technique, a new language, or even a new software. I just adore learning, and Skillshare is the perfect place for that. At the moment, I'm following a class about meatball making. There's a premium membership which is pretty affordable and that gives you access to all classes and all communities to learn, basically, to satisfy your learning cravings. If you want to give it a try, the first 100 of you guys who will click the link in the description box down below will get 2 months of free trial. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. The butter has been squared and flattened and chilled, and the dough has been proofed and chilled, which means that it's time to get layering, if you know what I mean. It's time to make this croissant dough. Okay, so the croissant dough is now ready to make our pain au chocolat. All we need to do now is to unmold the chocolate stick and to trim them slightly, and then, of course, to form the what is going on? The pain au chocolat. Pardon. Just moved by the amount of love I see on the plate. The smell is outrageous. Look at how thin this layer is. I'm just drooling over these pastries. You know what? Chocolate works. It might be obvious for you, but in the first place, I'm not... No, c'est bon. This is good. I don't want to go back to real life. I'm fed up with invoices, taxes, and this is the end of it. The only problem, you know there's always a problem coming, is that visually the chocolate leaking is not very appetizing, to be honest. I'm not satisfied with this leaky situation. It's like when you see this annoying little piece of string and you put it out and then the whole sweater comes out. I feel like we're facing the same vibe right here with the chocolate viscosity or something. Now I know it might be something big, something not scary to be honest, something exciting. So I'll tackle this in the next episode, but for now, if you enjoyed this episode, give this a big thumbs up, like it and share that everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, I think we're done. And of course, if you enjoy the series, if you enjoy the vibe, if you enjoy just getting smarter in the kitchen, feel free to subscribe to this channel. I'll catch up in the next one. Salut, bye bye.